Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. You want to install Windows 11 the right way? Whether you're upgrading or doing a clean install, this guide walks you through everything step by step. Let's get started. Make sure you have a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space. Back up any important data on this drive, it will be erased. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open your browser and search for Windows 11 installation. Click on the official Microsoft link. The link is also given in the description. Scroll down to create Windows 11 installation media. Click Download now to get the media creation tool. A file named Media Creation Tool W11.exe will be downloaded. Double-click the downloaded file to run it. Accept the license terms. It will auto-select the recommended options. Leave them as is. Or uncheck the box if you want to change language or edition. Choose USB flash drive as your media type. Let us confirm that USB is inserted. Now, click Next. Select your USB drive from the list. Click Next again. The tool will now download Windows 11. This can take some time depending on your internet speed. And now it is complete. We have a Windows 11 bootable USB. You can also make bootable with tools like Balena, Etcher, PowerISO or Rufus. Go and watch these videos. Once it's done, leave the USB plugged into the PC where you want to install Windows. Restart the PC. Select your USB drive from the list. Press Enter to boot from USB. The Windows 11 installer will load. Choose your language, time format, and keyboard layout. Click Next. Click Install now. If you have a product key, enter it. If not, click I don't have a product key. Accept the license terms. Click Next again. Now choose installation type. Click Upgrade if you want to keep your files and apps. Click Custom for a clean install. If doing a clean install, select your main Windows partition. Windows will now start installing. Your PC will restart several times during this. Wait for the setup to finish. This may take 10 to 30 minutes. When setup resumes, select your region, and then click Next. Choose your keyboard layout. Connect to Wi-Fi if internet is available, otherwise you can skip it. Enter your name, click Next. Enter your password or you can leave it blank. Set your privacy preferences. Disable or enable tracking as needed. Choose whether to sync with OneDrive or not. Do you want to turn on location or not? And then click. Windows will finish setting things up. This might take a few more minutes. Once complete, you'll be at the Windows 11 desktop. That's it, Windows 11 is now fully installed and ready to use. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Windows 11 experience.